Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate requirements.txt file for a Django project automatically. So for it, just go to your Django project, then you need to open a command prompt. So in the project directory, I'm going to say here cmd, then press enter. Here you can see command prompt. Let me just zoom in. So first of all, what you need to do is that you need to activate your environment. So for it, you need to say over here DENV, which is this folder. Then we need to add a backslash. We are going to say here skip. It should be capital SCRIPTS slash. We need to say here activate. Then press enter, and there you can see our environment is activated. So right now we are going to say over here pip install Django. Then press enter. After that we are going to say over here pip install Django REST framework. Then we need to say over here Python minus, okay, let me just make it bigger, decouple kilo. It will be capital, a little bit more bigger. There you can, so we need to write this pip install Django REST framework Python minus decouple below. Right now we are going to press enter. So it will install some packages. After that we'll say here pip please, then we'll give a space, then we'll give this arrow sign, another space, and we are going to say over here requirements.txt. Then press enter, and it will create a requirements.txt file over here, you can see. So now we can just close this command prompt, and let me just open it, and here you can see those are automatically generated by Django. So